In this video, we are going to learn about error and exception handling in an object-oriented programming. Well, we are not going into the details of error or exception handling. You will learn about the detail of it in language-specific course, but here I will give you the broad overview of what happens when an error or exception occur in an object-oriented program. In most of the object-oriented program, there is a support or a keyword called try and catch that you can use to handle the error. Now, I always recommend whenever you will write some some piece of code in your object-oriented program, always enclose them in try and catch block. What they do, whenever you will enclose a piece of code in try block, what will happen is whenever there will be an error, what the object oriented program will do is it will wrap the error with all the error information. For example, what is the type of the error, in which line number the error actually occurred. These are just two examples. There are lots of other different types of information will be wrapped up, and then it will create an object, error object out of it. And once the error object have been created like this, what this try block will do, it will simply throw this error object, and then this catch block, what it will do, as the name suggests, it will catch this error object in here, and based on the nature of this error object and based on the information inside this error object, it will handle the error in here inside this catch block. So this is how in most of the object-oriented program you can handle the errors in better way. Just enclose your code inside this try and catch block to get to avail this type of facility. Well, one way of unmanaged error handling is just to use some kind of if else type of condition checking. If error happens, then do this, or else do something else. So that is one way of handling, and that is kind of unmanaged, and there are chances of getting some messed up code for if you utilize in that way. But when you are working in an object oriented program, try to use these try and catch facilities very cleverly, and that will make your program neat and clean. And utilizing this try and catch is a very good design practice when you will design object oriented software.